Hi, I just want to go over a custom lift assist. This is actually for medical cleaning devices, and it's for loading and unloading the boxes for testing purposes. We have a custom vacuum tool here. It's on a doorbell easy arm. You can see the up, down, and the e-stop. We do have a vacuum gauge grip release circuit right there. We also have our gripper safety circuit, which I'll show you so you cannot drop the part in midair. So one thing you'll see, very good spotting control. It's very tight going down into these boxes for load and unload. So the easy arm comes into play there. So I'm going to hit the grip button. You can see we have almost 24 inches of mercury. I'm going to come out, put down on the part. You can see I'm going to hit the release button. You cannot drop the part in midair. One other cool feature is we have float mode, which you do not have to use the up-down control. So setting this back down in the box, that makes it especially easy. And this is, like I said, on a doorbell easy arm. Very easy to use in a cell. And that's the general operation of that tool. For more custom applications, please visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.